Hey guys, welcome to another STUFR. We are in New York City today.
And we're standing on the Brooklyn Bridge and we're going to take you on a walk across our favorite bridge in the world. And it's our favorite thing to do in New York as well. So we'll take you along the walk. Join us. The Brooklyn Bridge is 486 meters long and it connects Brooklyn to Manhattan. There are 100,000 vehicles that pass on the passageway each day, more than 4,000 pedestrians and 2,600 bicycles. Crazy.
So the Brooklyn Bridge was constructed in 1869 until 1883. So in 14 years it was done, and more than 600 workers were busy building this iconic bridge. And in the beginning it was called, I think, the New York and Brooklyn Bridge, but later it was dubbed just Brooklyn Bridge. So everybody nowadays knows it as the Brooklyn Bridge.
The Brooklyn Bridge walk, it will take you at least 45 minutes. It's a huge bridge, but it will give you so many nice viewpoints, and it's, in a weird way for me, it's like a serene thing to do as well. There's so many people on it, but still it feels serene because of the city, the hugeness, the river.
Yeah.
And you can even see the Statue of Liberty in the back.
And you should definitely come back at least 2 times, once during the day and once also during the night, or at least when it's dark. Especially walking back from Brooklyn to Manhattan to see the beautiful skyline of Manhattan in the dark with all the lights.
For this video we'll only do it at daytime, right? But we promise you, you won't regret it if you go back at night.
The Brooklyn Bridge was one of the first roadway bridges of the United States of America, and it was the first steel wire suspension bridge.
The architectural style is neo-Gothic, and the famous pointed arches that go through the stone towers above the passageways. The paint scheme is Brooklyn Bridge tan and silver. During the build of this marvelous bridge, there were some human casualties. The exact numbers remain vague, but at least 20 men were killed during construction. It all started with the designer of the bridge, John A. Roebling, whose foot was shattered. His toes needed to be amputated, which caused tetanus, which eventually resulted in his death. Other workers fell from the bridge, got hit by loose parts falling down on them, or got Casson's disease, a decompression disease causing workers to be paralyzed. When the son of the designer also got sick and couldn't continue his father's legacy, his amazing wife, Emily Warren Roebling, stepped in and finished the job, with her husband following the build with a telescope from his apartment. She took over all the communication and coordinating for 11 years, and because her role in the completion was so essential, she was allowed to be the first person to walk the bridge on opening day in 1883. After the opening, people were afraid the bridge was not stable enough. The mayor of the city then ordered a parade of 21 elephants to cross the bridge to prove the hesitant people wrong.
Be careful at the Brooklyn Bridge, because one way is the walkway and the other side is for cyclists, for bicycles only. Pay attention.
Not only do you have a fantastic view of the skyline of Manhattan, you also can see the beautiful Manhattan Bridge as well.
The Brooklyn Bridge is our favorite thing to do in New York, and it's free. It's a beautiful walk. You get such a great view of the skyline, and you can even go into Dumbo or Brooklyn Heights on the other side of the bridge. And if you wait for nightfall, you can see the skyline light up as well, and then walk back. Well,
I think it's one of my favorite views,
It
to
is.
see the skyline by night from the Brooklyn Bridge.
it is amazing. So we hope you like this partly informational video, and also seeing the Brooklyn Bridge, seeing the skyline.
Yeah.
That's about it, huh?
And leave a comment down below. What do you think about the Brooklyn Bridge? Is it also your favorite spot in New York, or do you have something better? Can't imagine what it would be, but
Well, everybody has their own favorites, of course.
yeah. But yeah, like this video and subscribe, of
If you haven't,
course,
subscribe to the channel,
and hit that bell notification.
so you won't miss any of our new videos. See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.
Do you want to see us stuff more food in our mouths? Then subscribe to our channel or watch another STUFR.